Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Frank, and today is going to be the first segment of a series that I'm starting, talking about some of my favorite software. So, as an entrepreneur and as a new business, you are always looking for the best deals out there. I mean, you really don't have a lot of money to spend, so you have to find software that's going to get the job done at the lowest cost possible. So this software I actually found when the gentleman was just launching it. It is scheduling software. He's based in France. I actually had the opportunity to interview him and speak with him on my podcast. He's talking to me all about how he developed the software. And it was kind of funny because I was one of the, I think, early adopters in the United States to start using this software. I loved it so much. I said, man, you got to get a lot of other people to promote this for you. You need to have an affiliate program. So, full disclosure, I am an affiliate. I never become an affiliate of software just for the heck of becoming an affiliate. If I believe in it and I think that others should have it, I become an affiliate. So I am an affiliate, but nonetheless, this is great. I get a lot of compliments off this software. My team loves it. My team uses it all the time. It is super affordable, all right? And you can also brand this scheduling software with the brand of your company. Let's see what else. It has a Chrome plugin, and it even has a Gmail plugin. So if you're responding to an email, you can respond to that email directly inside of the software itself to schedule a time to meet with that person. All right, so let's talk about this thing. It is called Vyte. Now, the gentleman told me what Vyte stands for. I think it's invite. I'm not totally sure, but nonetheless, it's called Vyte, Vyte. Now, as you can see, I'm actually using a browser called the Ghost browser. It was built off of the Chrome platform. I'm going to have another segment talking about the Ghost browser. My team loves it. My team uses it. We use it to manage all of our projects. As you know, I'm a digital marketing agency, so there's a lot of things that the Ghost browser does that really sets it apart from other browsers. But anyway, let's get to Vyte. So I click on here, had to take off my glasses, got those old eyes. And I click on a little extension. And what it does is it opens up the Vyte page. Now, this has a Gmail login as well as some other logins. I believe you can log in through Microsoft. I never do, but you will see it when you pull it up. I log in through Google. So there it goes. It logged me in and says, okay, these are my events that are coming up. So let's go through Vyte. I'm on the pro version. Now, I believe that there's still a free version. I've been on a pro version for so long, I don't even know if there's really a free version anymore. I think there is. But the pro version just gives you a lot of customizations that you can do with the scheduling software. So I'm on the pro version at $10 a user. That is crazy inexpensive. All right, so let's talk about it. My Vyte page. If I click on that, I can share my Vyte page with other people via a URL. As you can see here, this is my personalized URL, vyte.in/V2M2. I have 45-minute meetings scheduled, and these are all the places, local places, even phone, that I've chosen to be my preferred places to meet. All right, so if I click on Share My Vyte page, I can pick any of these durations. Free duration, 15 minutes, 30, 45 minutes, 1 hour meetings only. Depending on what I click on, you'll see that number pop up at the end here. So we're going to just do a free duration. After you put that in there, you copy it, boom, copy to the clipboard, stick it into an email and say, hey, you know what? If you want to schedule a meeting with me, use my handy dandy link, pick the best day, the best time, and the best place to meet. And it's that easy. All right, so it does that. As a matter of fact, I'm even going to talk about my electronic business card. And I have my Vyte link in that business card to make it really easy for people to schedule with me. And guess what? If they don't click on the link, then I guess they didn't want to meet with me. So no hard feelings there. All right, so that's that. Now, if I click on my little logo, so you can see I have the branded logo right there. All right, what it's going to do is going to open up my branded Vyte page. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. No, it went to my website. I was totally wrong. Wrong link. I messed up there. All right. So anyway, let's do it this way. Copy that, paste it into a new link, to a new tab, click on it, and here is my Vyte page. Wait for it. Wait for it. 2, 1. Bam! There it is, my Vyte page. So as you can see, it has my branding in the background. All right. And now I can schedule an appointment. Now what's really cool is these are all the languages that work with Vyte: English, French, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, Spanish, Svenska, Netherlands. I never use those, but they're there. Okay? You want to meet for, let's say, a planning meeting. Now what I'm able to do is actually to pick a date. And because this integrates with my Google Calendar, it can see all the times that I am busy or not busy. And I actually also have my team's calendars integrated into this calendar. Now, I'm not really that busy, okay? But let's say we find an open spot. Loading available times, boom. All right, so you go, okay, I'm available at Tuesday and that time. Available here, I'm available there, I'm available there, I'm available there, I'm available there. All right, so I save that. So these are all the dates that I picked. Now I go, hey, you know what? I'm going to be close to the office that day, so you know what? I can meet at my office. You can call me on my phone, and you can call me. You can call me if you need marketing. You can call me on that number right there. All right. Or I'm going to meet at this coffee shop. I'll let them choose. Okay. If I want, I can add a personal message right there, and then I request a meeting. Boom, that easy. And what happens is when somebody gets this invite, they vote on the days and times and the places that work best for them. You can see here that they can even suggest one more place to meet. I mean, how easy does that get? That is crazy simple, okay? So a lot of flexibility here. So to give an example of what that looked like, I'll go to my events. All right, so I have a meeting tomorrow, an employment opportunity, not for me. Somebody wants to work for me. And as you can see, we voted to meet tomorrow. We had all these days. They pop up right there. And we chose to meet in downtown Aurora right there. So that's what it looks like. And it's confirmed. Once somebody votes on it, you can click on confirmed as the calendar owner. All right, does that make sense? Okay, so let's go through a few more of the functionalities of Vyte. Settings. Set up which calendars you want to show as busy to others. So right here, I can show these calendars. So my business calendar, these are actually my employees' calendars. I have my wife's calendar on there. And of course, holidays. All right, so you can see I only decided to show my business calendar and my personal calendar. All right, and this is one that I use to track our time as being busy. However, all these other calendars are displayed on my calendar, but for others, this shows as busy. Matter of fact, that's probably why it's showing me as busy all the time. Time Doctor. Okay, so that's one thing. You have advanced scheduling. So do not send invitees messages that hide invitees from each other, forbid them to suggest other dates, forbid them to suggest other places, forbid invitees to invite other invitees. So I don't want people inviting others that I don't want to be at the meeting. Here's my default message. Please vote for all days and times that will work for you. Feel free to make suggestions as well. Okay, apps. All right, so you can see there's a browser extension for Gmail, LinkedIn, etc. There's a Slack app, there's an iOS app, there's a WebEx integration. Oh, gee, this is so good. All right, brand. Here you go. There's my subdomain, there's my brand picture, there's my logo. All right. Organization. Now, because I have the pro version, these are the people that I have in my organization right now that are allowed to schedule meetings. So it's mostly my exec team, okay? And of course, billing. I'm not going to show you billing right there. Anyway, so This is Vyte. I love Vyte. I think you should give it a shot. I'm going to include a link in the description. All right, if you want to take a look at it and try it out. I love this. It's super affordable. There's always that going back and forth, like, when is good for you, when is good for you, especially, if you have several meetings that you're trying to sync calendars. A lot of times, if I'm trying to think of having maybe an online training or strategy meeting with my team, because a lot of us are virtual, it's easier for me to put into my calendar those days that I'm available. All right, put there, we're going to have a conference call, and then everybody votes, and the one time and day that gets the most votes, that's the one that we do. It's so easy than just sending emails back and forth and back and forth, and then you never get anything done, right? Never. Okay. Anyway, I'm tired. It's been a long day. So anyway, that's Vyte. I hope you enjoyed. Let me put it there one more time so you can look at my page. Wait for it. Yes, there it is. All right. So that's Vyte, Vyte.in. Little piece of software that I use. Big on keeping operational costs down. You don't always have to go with the most popular or even the most expensive software to get the job done. That's Vyte. Check it out and let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless.